back in 2014, NASA has measured that universal space has Euclidean shape very precisely. And after this, the curvature of space, I think, should be further developed. And my idea was years ago already that curvature of space is a mathematical description for the variable energy density of the space. More space is curved, less space is dense. And the equation that is representing this physical reality is this equation. This is an extension of the mass energy equivalence principle on the universal superfluid space. Energy is mc squared. It's Planck energy density minus energy density in the center of the physical object per volume of the object. Now in the black holes, we know we have this basic Schwartzschild matrix, and the Schwarzschild equation, Schwarzschild radius is 2gm divided by c squared, and it shows that a mass, when it's squeezed to this radius, will become a black hole. Now, in a black hole, the energy density is at the minimum, and I develop a formula taking this part of equation, put it here for the mass, then developing a bit, and for the volume, we put in the equation for the volume of a spheric object, and we get this for the Schwarzschild radius. That the Schwarzschild radius is square 3 light speed on 4 divided by 8 gravitational constant Planck energy density minus energy density in the center of the black star. So as other elements here in this equation are constant, we see that the radius is related to the minimal energy density in the center of the black hole. So in the center of the black hole, it's not that there is this kind of infinite curvature there. No, in the center of the black hole, energy density of space is at the minimum. And because of this, the electromagnetic properties of the space are changed. And because of this, the electromagnetic force between the nucleus of the atom and the electrons is falling apart. So atoms are falling apart into elementary particles. This is what happened in the black holes. And in the center of galaxies, active galactic nucleuses, every central black hole has a chamber of atoms decay. And this transformation of matter into fresh energy is giving birth to these huge jets that are thrown into interstellar space. I know that there are hundreds of articles written on the black holes and on the curvature inside of black holes, Professor Penrose, Professor Kerr, but we have now to admit that there is no curvature of space inside of a black hole. This is only a mathematical model that has no physical reality. What actually is in the black hole is that the energy density of space is diminishing and is at the minimum in the center, and gravity is not infinite in the center of the black hole. Gravity there is zero, because gravity is diminishing when we are going inside The black hole, as is the case with all other stellar objects, is diminishing according to the Newton shell theorem. Uh, Now, I think that the model I developed makes sense, and I will send this article to some important peer-reviewed journals in hope that I will have a sincere review, because the curvature of space is not a final theory. I think we have to go deeper, and the curvature of space is only a mathematical description for the variable energy density of space. And uh, here it seems that the model of Professor Penrose about gravitational singularities actually does not work. So thank you for your attention, and we will see what will happen in next months, if this will become a part of established physics or not. I hope yes.